What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Grimace shake from McDonald's. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a long curve for the edge of the cup. We'll start over on the left side. Let's bend this down the middle and then back up towards the right. Now on the ends we're going to draw a short angle line coming down and out towards the edge of the cap. Now you want to follow that same curve connecting the bottom of those lines. Coming down, go all the way across, and we'll bend that up towards the right side. Now you want to connect those two top corners with a half circle. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to go all the way up towards the top. Let's bend that in towards the center. Go all the way across and then bring that down on the right. Now you want to add some texture inside the bottom of the cap. Let's start in the center with a straight line. And we'll work our way out towards the left. We're going to step out. I'm just going to angle this aiming towards the top center of the cap. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Now you want to fill the inside of the cap with some layers of cream. Let's start from the bottom corner on the left, bend this up and then in. Now we're going to draw a wave going back down towards the right corner. So we're going to start by coming down, go up, and then bend that down towards the right. Now back on the left side, we're going to draw another wave. We're going to go up, come down, and then bend that up. And then we'll bend this out and then down towards the right. Now from this point, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Let's go up, come down, and just swirl that up towards the top. Bend this out and then down towards the left. Now I'm going to add the straw in the center angled out towards the right. Let's start right in the middle, go up past the edge of the cap. I'm going to step out and draw that again. Let's close out the top with a curve. Let's add a stripe coming down the straw. So we're going to start right in the middle. Just going to split this in half, coming all the way down towards the bottom. And then on the top left, we're going to step in, add a thin trim coming down. Now I'm going to have some cream dripping down from the edge of the cap. So from the top corner, bend this in and down. Round out the bottom, go up. Let's add a smaller drip. Coming down, up, and then bend that in. Let's add some more drips on the right side. Down and then up. Come down a little bit lower in the middle. Go back up. Add one smaller drip coming down and then up towards the side. Now we're going to draw on the side of the cup. We're going to aim for this point right here underneath that drip. It's going to angle this down and in towards the bottom to right about there. And do the same thing on the right. From this point, come underneath the cap. Angle this down. I'm just going to bring that down towards the same height on the left. Let's close off the bottom of the cup with a curve. We come down the middle and then back up. Let's trace this curve along the top. So we'll step up, around, and then up. Now I'm going to place Grimace's face in the center of the cup. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval in an angle coming down. We're going to start up here. Come around towards the bottom, go up, and back in towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes to draw the same thing on the right, just flipped over. So I'm going to line up the top, come down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's add a curve for the eyelid. I'm going to go up, and then in, and do the same thing on the right. I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, I'm going to draw a circle, going all the way around. Line it up on the right. At the top of each pupil, draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the outside of the pupils in black going around that highlight. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start directly underneath the left eye. I'm just going to bend this up and then down. Now curl the mouth going around the eye and then up. Let's add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. And we're going to curve the bottom of the mouth, starting back on the left side, come down in the middle, round out the mouth, and go up towards the right. Let's move to the center of the mouth and draw in the tongue. So we're going to start with a point. From that point, we're going to go up and then down towards the left, towards the bottom of the mouth. And do the same thing on the right. And fill the top of the mouth in black. I'm going to go around that tongue. Now just underneath the mouth in the center, we're going to draw a square for the McDonald's symbol. So we start along the top of the straight line, come down the side with an equal length line, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's add the golden arches in the middle. We're going to start on the left, go up, then down in the middle, about halfway, go up and then down on the right, flatten off the bottoms. That's going to trace our way along the inside, coming all the way down toward the bottom in the middle, and we'll close this off. Now along the top of our cup, we're going to add another curve in behind those drips for the seam. We're going to start on the left. Just going to follow the same curve of the lid, going across, going in behind, then up towards the right. Let's add that sprinkle texture along the top. We're going to start along this edge, coming down and up like a rectangle. And just randomly place these all around. So we go around the eyes, and then work our way over towards the right. Let's add some more across the bottom. Now it's sign art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Grimace Shake. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.